Now let us learn another alternative process of creating a Docker image. In this alternative process, we will create a Docker image from a running container without using the Docker file or the traditional Docker build command. To do that, first we have to download a base image from the Docker Hub. Here I have downloaded the Ubuntu base image utilizing the Docker pull command. After downloading the base image, I have used docker run -it followed by the image name to run that base image in the foreground. Running the image in the foreground means you will get a terminal of that container. Once you will get the terminal for the container, then you can start modifying the container according to your need. For example, you can install software, you can add users, you can copy files, you can do whatever you want. In my Ubuntu image, first I have updated the image by using apt-get -y update command, and then I have installed the Vim software by using apt-get install -y vim. You can execute any other command of your choice. For testing purpose, you may want to execute the commands that you have used with the run in the Docker file, just to check if the end result of both the process are same or not. Alright, after that, after all the modification is done, now it is the time to create the new image out of this current container. To do that, first open another terminal window on your local machine and get the name of the running container using the command called docker ps. When you will fire docker ps command on your terminal, the column called names will give you the name of the container. Then on the same terminal window, commit the current container using the command called docker commit followed by the container name. If the container is successfully committed, it should return a 32-character long SHA-256 hash. So here is the main difference. In the traditional image building process, we have used docker build command, but when I am trying to build an image from a running container, I am utilizing docker commit command instead of build. Once the commit is done and the container is successfully committed, you should be able to see a new image have been created. You can use the command called docker images to list down all the available images. Normally, the newly created image is listed on the top of the list and it shows none for both repository and tag. Since this is none for both repository and tag, now the next responsibility is to tag that image properly. To do that, you can use the command docker tag followed by the image ID followed by the repository name of your choice, colon, followed by the tag name of your choice. Once you have done it, then if you again fire docker images, you should be able to easily locate your image with the repository and the tag name you just specified. You can utilize the new image using docker run -it followed by the repository name and tag name of your choice. And this new image should have all the modifications that you have made. So this is another alternative process to create a Docker image. And sometimes it may be useful for the practical purpose. So that is all about the Docker build process of an image.